Hey guys, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I spoke to your office, and they thought you guys would be super interested in this video I'm about to show you. So we're just going to go over a few tips that you guys can apply right away. That's going to help with your online visibility, and it's going to get you more organic leads. So, the first thing to mention is that 70% of your organic leads come from your website. So, it is going to be really important that your website be properly optimized so you can capture that traffic. All right. So, we are on your website. It looks like you have a nice looking website. Okay, you got big service area. Looks like each of these have their own pages, which is perfect. Exactly what you want. Okay, you have separate pages for each of your service areas. Services. You need separate pages for each service and service area. So that's great. Here's an attempt at a local buyer intent keyword, which is what you want. Okay. Got some content here. That's good. Okay. Some repetition. That's good. Okay, great. It looks like you have a good amount of content. When it comes to ranking a website, content is key. So you want to make sure that you have a lot of content and that you have more content than your top competitors. Google does want you to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words, and it looks like you might be close. Or more content if your competitors have more. When it comes to ranking, you always need more of everything than your competition. Now, your content needs to be original on every single page. Otherwise, Google is considering it spam and is not going to rank you for it. Your content needs to be focused around your local buyer intent keywords, like this here. Look, those are the keywords people are actively searching for in your service area for the services that they need. They may not know the name of the company, but they know the service that they need, and that's what they're going to be looking for, and that's how your content needs to be built. I haven't looked at your service area pages, so you do want to make sure that they have their own unique content and photos. And that these pages are built around the keywords for these specific areas for each of those services. Google has robots that go and index all of these pages, pulling your original content and keywords so they can rank you for those keywords and put you in front of your customers. Looking at your top competitor in Denver, these guys have a good looking site as well. They have separate pages for each of their services. I am unclear whether they have multiple service areas. They're doing a really good job at the local buyer intent keywords. And they have a lot of content and interlinking between pages. So I'm not sure who has more content at first glance, but regardless, you do need more. So you're going to need more content than your top competitors in every single one of your service areas. And it needs to be all original content on every page. And it needs to be going after their own unique keywords for each page that are buyer intent and location based. The second part of that is going to be your search engine optimization. So here, your website has been ranked 13 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which isn't too bad. The score is based on your referring domains of backlinks. Now you only get credit for one backlink per referring domain. So all these others are more spammy and are actually diluting the score. Now, not all backlinks and referring domains are created equal, so you do need to have high quality backlinks. Not only do you need more of these than your competitors, but you also need more and a higher quality. Looking at your referring domains real quick, only 59% are do follows. That means out of 153, only 91 are actually helping your website. The rest are diluting your score. You have been indexed for 116 words, but you're only seeing 4 people on average per month to your website. Quickly looking at your keywords. You have 0 keywords that are on the first page. This is your highest ranking, Sewage Cleanup Denver. This is position 34. So you're back, about 7 to 8 pages at least. There's a ton of volume available, so you're missing out on a ton of traffic by not being optimized. Looking at your competitor, they have a rating of 11 with 546 backlinks. They've been indexed for 2,600 keywords, and they're getting traffic of over 2,800 people. So again, this shows you the amount of volume you're missing out on. Now your backlinks, that's when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant all of these sites are that link to you, the more authority and power it's going to give you, and it's going to help you to rank. But you also need to be tying these to your keywords on all of your pages so that those keywords can get to the first page of Google and you can actually be found for your services in each one of your service areas. And last is this Google Maps section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section in each of your service areas for your most important keywords, because 30% of people come directly to the maps and won't go anywhere else. So when you're not listed here, you're sending all those leads to your competitors. Now, in order to be in the top 3, there are a variety of factors, but the most important are citations, which is the name of a business, address, phone number, website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and LinkedIn. So you'll need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow all of these tips I provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for each of your services and service areas for those relevant keywords when it's done correctly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful and you'll be able to apply these tips and start capturing those organic leads. I would really love your feedback on what you thought of this video. Now, if you need help getting any of this done, go ahead and call the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.